Afternoon, family. Assalamu alaikum. Ramadan Mubarak to my Islamic family. All right, family. I'm in the backyard. I went to the feed store a few days ago. I had piled everything in the back of the car, back of the truck, and just figured I'd get around to going ahead and bagging everything up. On the ground is a feed I bought from one of the guys in the loft, one of the guys in the club. You know, let's try to get a closer view of it. Got 4 bags of those. The neutral blend, you can see the name has changed. It don't say Purina no more, so it must be a company that either bought Purina or just a company that's using the Purina pellets and just putting a different name on it. But I'm getting it from the same mill. And 75-pound bag of whole corn. Just getting a quick view on what it looked like. I use the wild bird feed as a filler. I use only 1 bag of that, 20-pound bag. I use 1 bag of safflower, 1 bag of this berry, nuts and berry. It's pretty much feed. Has no leftover. It's pretty much berries, safflower, peanuts. It has all that, but this is what it looks like after I take it, mix it with everything together. So this is what it looks like. See if we can. It's got a little bit of everything in it. You can see the peanuts, safflower, wheat, barley. It's got all that in there. It's pretty good mixture, but that's just trying to put it all together and then trying to stock it back up. You know, what are they? 31-gallon trash cans. All right, well, time to feed the young ones because they haven't ate yet. Haven't let them out. Been getting hit by the hawk enough. See the feathers all over the place. I don't know. They might be molting. I'm gonna hit you on pause right quick. All right, I normally fill up the little green things in there. It rained last night, so I didn't even come out here. So we're gonna try to get them fed. They're gonna go crazy. Some of them might come out, but Coop ain't around right now. Some of them fly out almost every day, and then they come right back down because it's feeding time. I make sure that they're hungry. That one just flew right there. Got another one coming in right now. I don't force them out. I'm trying to let them slowly. I haven't taken off the avian on the top yet, but one time, but I got hit by the hawk, so I put it right back on, and I just keep an eye on them, and they usually come right back down. I'm gonna just hold this open right quick. Hate when they go on the inside. They definitely answer to the whistle now, so that's a good thing. They'll answer better later, but you can see everybody knows where to eat. Gonna put you on pause for a second. Okay, I had one go in. I took the trap, raised it up. I don't know if you can see that. And I just left the trap down. Still got 2 out so far. One right there, a little silver, and I got a white, looks like a little grizzle kinda. But anyway, there you go. I ain't worrying about them no more. They ain't going nowhere. I dropped some feed down on them. I gotta fill up the bucket in there with pellets. So let me put a pause on it. All right, family here. Let's just say what's going on. I just filled up the pellets in there. The other ones I gave them feed out there. I have a lot of babies in here. Almost 25 of them in here. Goes to my partner that's in the club. All of their bands, his bands are green. Let me see if I can grab it. My partner birds are like that bird. It's got his green band, a little muff leg feathers, and I put a little green snap band on there so I can keep an eye on them, so I can move them into the other pen when they get a little bit older. I don't want to lose his birds. I got 25 of his birds in here like that. But it's totally chaos in here. To show the proof of the chaos is I got a bird right there. And if you see it, this baby is probably only, see that, about 3 days old, but it's one next to it is freaking gigantic. So I definitely got to move that bird out of there. But I don't have no more small babies like that, so. Oh, there's one right there. Okay, we're gonna move the baby out. I'm gonna move it into that one. Cause it's just too little. It'll never survive right there. Alright, let's see what we got. Yeah, pretty shitty in here, but can't wait to gut it out. We got 2 right there. Got 2 in there. Well, it's a parent and one. Finally got a baby right there. A couple young ones right there. Got that little one right there, full as can be. I can tell from his crop. Yeah, we're definitely gonna put him in here with that one. It's definitely got a chance to survive in. This is my Trenton. I'm on the ground there. 2 more up there. Eggs right there. Eggs at the bottom. Babies right there. A couple of babies in there. Got a baby right there. Mommy right there. 3 more in there. She's sitting on eggs. This is the last round of birds for me. I'm through with this. That's it. Whatever it does, it does. Let's see what we got in here. Look at this. Gigantic egg. We know that ain't no good. I knew that bag that boy ain't no good. Look like it's about to blow up. Got one in there. One. Got around here. Okay. Got something in there. It's gonna take me a minute to get around in here, so I'm getting out of here. Okay. Oh, I think we have somebody go in already. All right, that's a quick update. What's going on around here? A little bit about feeding and everything. Comment, subscribe. Let's see, like I said, I don't see nobody around. I heard something move, so I thought somebody went in. But I'll be out here for a little while. Comment, subscribe, do what you do. Peace.